Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan ka mang lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna akong batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome aboard sa ating daddy, G the Green. Girly, Cutie, Patuti, Iguana. Daily Vlogs. Ayun po, kunin natin muna si G. At syempre, gustong-gusto po yan na G na makipaglaro muna kay Daddy Master. At syempre, si G natin, ay loving talaga yan. Na baby girl. Ni Daddy. Yan, so, natanggal po ang kanyang, hindi naman, ang kanyang turf. Yan, kasi wala pong wala pong nakaipit. So tinanggal ko muna, tininisan ko muna. Yan, so okay. Tips muna kay Daddy. Aking G na super pretty. Ay babalik na natin si G, ha? Right, so ang topic po natin ngayon ay about the sleep cycle. Okay, so hindi natin alam yan, di ba? Meron palang cycle ang ating tulog. So, hindi lang po pala na once natutulog ka is just sleep. So, meron tayong tinatawag na sleep cycle. So, ito po yung topic natin ngayon, no? The sleep cycle. Okay? What is the sleep cycle? So, meron pala tayong 4 na stages of sleep cycle. Yung tinatawag nating, ang pinakauna po is hindi ko na muna. What are the sleep stages in normal sleep cycle? So, ang pinakauna po is stage 1. That's the tinatawag natin is there are 4 stages, sleep stages, including one for rapid eye movement or the REM, yun ang palagi kong sinasabi, and the 3 that form non-rapid eye movement sleep. So that's NREM, non-rapid eye. Okay? I-discuss natin to slowly lang. So these stages are determined based on the analysis of the brain activity during sleep. So may mga activities pala ang brain natin habang tayo natutulog. Hindi lang po na nakapikit tayo ay tulog na yan. Hindi. May mga stages pala yan, mga masters and mga ka-G, which shows distinct pattern that characterize each stage. So stage 1. What is a stage 1? It's a rapid eye movement. So it usually pagkahiga mo, meron tayong 1 to 7 minutes na 1 to 7 minutes po na ang katawan natin ay mag-undergo po ng non-rapid eye movement stage 1. And then stage 2, din po, N2 yung tawag dyan, usually like 10 to 25 minutes. Merong ganyan na muna ang katawan natin, go through sa stage na tinatawag nating N2. And then, ang N3 natin is ang slow wave sleep. Tawag dyan is slow wave sleep. So, delta sleep or the deep sleep. So, deep sleep pa lang po yan. Okay? 20 to 40 minutes. Yun din ang ating isa sa mga importante dyan na mangyari sa katawan natin. Yung delta, kung saan tayo ay super relaxed po. Diba? Delta sleep po yung tawag dyan. Deep sleep. Okay? So, magbibigay tayo ng kay G habang tayo nagsasalita, ha? Ng kanyang pagkain. So, delta sleep. And then, of course, ang ating stage 4, which is, ang delta sleep po, it happens 20 to 40 minutes. So, 20 to 40 minutes. And then, ang stage 4 natin is ang rapid eye movement mismo. So, siya po ay nangyayari within 10 to 60 minutes hanggang 1 hour po yan. So, 10 to 60 minutes. So, anong 4 na stages? So, ang ating NREM, non-rapid eye movement, N1, which happens 1 to 7 minutes. And then, non-rapid eye movement, stage 2, N2, from 10 to 25 minutes. And NREM, or ang ating N3 stage, ang stage 3 natin is ang 20 to 40 minutes. And then, ang delta stage. And then, ang ating rapid eye movement, which is 1 hour to 60 minutes or 1 hour, 10 minutes to 60 minutes or 1 hour po yan in short. Okay, so the breakdown of the person's sleep into various cycles and stages in commonly referred to as sleep architecture. So meron po siyang tinatawag diyan na pattern na nangyayari sa katawan natin. So ngayon po ay meron mga schools or may mga establishments po na sa study ng sleep pattern, mga sleep institution pong tawag sa kanila. Okay? So magbibigyan na tayo ng siyempre ang pagkain ng G natin, walang iba kundi ang kanyang sandia or ang kanyang watermelon pakwan. Di ba mga masters? Okay. Intermission muna tayo kay G ha. Kasi si G natin ay gutom na po yan. Gutom na po ang ating G, the green girly, kitty patuti, iguana. Yan po siya. Okay, so magsasalita lang muna ako ha. Habang po si G ay kakain. Sasalita lang po ako. Okay, so ano pa ba? So, if someone undergoes sleep study, their sleep architecture can be represented visually in hypnograph. May tinatawag silang hypnograph. So, maganda po dyan is, pero hindi naman, so ito po, NREM. So, let's start with the non-rapid eye movement stage 1. Kakain na po ang G natin. Paborito niya yan kakain yan, I'm sure. Yan. So, stage 1, also the N1, is essentially when a person first falls asleep. So, ang pinakaunang stage, in stage na to ay normally last for 1 to 7 minutes. So, during N1 sleep, the body has not fully relaxed. Hindi pa relax ang katawan natin. Pero yung ating body and brain activities ay nagsistart na mag-slow down with periods of brief movements. Magagalaw pa tayo ng konti. And there are light changes in brain activity associated with falling asleep in this stage. So, nagsa-start pa lang tayo. It is easy to wake someone up during this sleep stage. So, sa pag-N1 ka pa lang, mabilis pa yan. Mabilis, parang tulog manok pa lang po yan. Di ba? So, mabilis. So, sino ba sa inyo dito yung parang N1 lang? Hindi na umaabot ng N2. Okay? So, ano po yung they can move quickly into stage 2. Mabilis lang po mag-transcend sa stage 2. So, an uninterrupted sleeper may not spend much time in stage 1. Meron ng iba dyan na wala na pagkapikit ng mata, wala nang stage N1, N2 agad or N3 agad. Okay? During stage 2 or tinatawag nating N2, the body enters more subdued state, including a drop in temperature. So, bumababa ang ating temperature, relaxed muscles, and shows slowed breathing na. So, yung heart rate natin at ang breathing ay nagsuslow down na rin at ang temperature natin ay bumababa na rin. At the same time, brain waves show a new pattern and eye movement stops. So, hindi na po gumagalaw-galaw yung mata natin, yung panahitulog na tayo. On the whole, brain activity slows, but there are short bursts of activities that actually help resist being woken up by external stimuli. So, hindi po tayo basta-basta nagigising yan. So, stage 2 sleep can last for 10 to 25 minutes. Okay? So, and even though the brain activity is reduced, this is evidence that there are evidences that deep sleep contributes to insightful thinking, creativity, and memory. So, when po ay nagde-develop pa yan, meron pa tayong mga memories and creativity, gumagana pa yung utak natin. Okay? So, what is REM? So, nasa stage 3 na tayo, or known as the deep sleep. Ay, yun na pala, ang deep sleep natin. So, ang deep sleep natin is more on harder to wake up someone na nasa stage 3 na. Muscle tone, pulse, and breathing decreases. Decrease na lahat. Parang relax na. The body relaxes even further. Okay? So, experts believe that this stage is critical and restorative sleep. Ito na po yung restorative stage natin ng stage 3 or ang deep sleep level natin. Allowing the body recovery and growth. It may also bolster the immune system and other key bodily processes. So kailangan ma-reach natin po ang deep sleep, which is the stage 3. Okay? So ang maganda dapat dito ay na-relax tayo kasi dito na po yung ating rejuvenation. Okay? So even though brain activities reduce, there are evidence that it contributes. You spend that most time to sleep during the first half of the night, during the early sleep cycles. N3 stages commonly last for 20 to 40 minutes. So 20 to 40 minutes lang po yan. As you continue sleeping, these stages get shorter and more time gets spent for the REM. So REM na po tayo, ang ating last stage. Ang REM naman is during this REM, brain activity picks up, nearing levels seen when you are awake. Parang gising ka lang po niyan kahit tulog ka. At the same time, the body experiences atonia, parang hindi ka gumagalaw, parang tumitigas yung yung muscles mo, which is temporarily paralysis of the muscles. And with two exceptions, the eye and the muscles that control breathing. And then, ayan, gumagalaw po yung inyong eyeballs. Even though the eyes are closed, they can be seen moving quickly. So that's why tinatawag po yun na rapid eye movement. Okay? Which is explained in a significant uptick in brain activity. Dreams. Dito na po nagdi-dream. Dito po yan na nanaginip sa ating rapid eye movement. Ayan. So, yun po mga masters. Okay, mga 90 minutes po yan. Usually, nagtitake place. So, at saka may mga cycles po yan. May mga cycles po yan mga masters. So, hindi lang po yan na apat na stages. After nyan, ibabalik na naman po yan. Nagre-repeat pattern po yan. Alright, mga masters and mga ka-G, hanggang dito lang po tayo. God is great! Yahoo!